My appointment was canceled again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaja if you're new, and if you clicked on this video, you are more than likely looking for the best press-on nails on earth, and girl, I think you found it. This box comes with beautifully packaged stickers, a thank you note, and instructions on how to apply your nails, and this cute complimentary package of different items that will help assist you apply your beautiful and lovely press-on nails. So I picked out the metallic Mirage, which I thought would be great for the Halloween season. And I also picked out Rosy Shimmer, which are my literal favorites right now. As you can see, I desperately need my nails done. But thanks to Ersa Nails, I don't need to go to the nail salon. I could do them in the comfort of my own home, okay? Now, I'm just sitting here filing them because when you file your nails, it actually gives it a good grip. So filing your nails is very essential, and making sure that you have a good adhesive. So I use the Kiss adhesive nail glue. So the next steps are very simple. All you do is apply the nail glue to your nail bed, and then you apply the nail to your nail and press on very firmly for a couple of seconds so that you can get all the air bubbles out. Using a great adhesive and having durable press-on nails is the formula to having long-lasting nails. These nails will last you about a great 2 weeks before they start falling off. And there she goes. Look at these beautiful fire goddessy nails. These nails are so durable. Like, look at that. Do you see that? It's not breaking. These can last forever. So guys, these are the final product of the Ersa nails. I am so in love with these nails. They're just so gorgeous. They are just like goddess nails. They give like princess vibes. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, they're so pretty. I could wear these like for the rest of my life. This is what I love about Ersa nails. There's a variety of different nails. Like, I've gone to the nail salons plenty of time, paid out of my nails, literally like over $100, $200 for nails, and they still didn't come out the way that I wanted to. I think press-on nails are the way to go because you can get the designs that you want. You know, you can go long, you can go short, and you don't have to pay $1 million for your nails to be done just for you to take them off in 2 weeks or for them to break or anything like that. But these are press-on nails that you can reuse over and over again. You can find nails for your actual size of your fingers. All you have to do is measure your fingers with like a measuring tape, and they will come in the preferred size that you need for your nails. And that's just an amazing part of it all. You can get your size perfectly matched. You can go to the site. They have fall nails, Halloween nails, spring nails, like anything that to match your aesthetic. If you have an event coming up, they have everything that you could possibly need. If you guys are ever so interested, I have a 20% discount code for you guys that you can utilize when you go on their site. You'll love it there. I promise you, you'll want to put something in your cart and use for a future event. So definitely get these because these are my favorites. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.